Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In today's tutorial, I will uh, help you to upload an assignment on your Google Classroom. So first of all, you have to log into classroom.google.com. Sign in to your Gmail account. Once you have signed in to your Gmail account, you will see the classes you have joined, and in my case I have microgrid and energy storage. So right now I'm going to submit the assignment of energy storage. So click on energy storage. Now you can see the stream. You can see some assignments uploaded here, so you can directly click on them and submit the assignment. And you can also click on classwork, and here you will find all the assignments. So I'm going to upload the midterm mini project for energy storage, and which due date is 7 June. So click here and then click on view assignment. So now it will also guide you. At here you can see some instructions which has been uploaded, and then you can add your file over here, the files you have to submit to your instructor, your teacher. So there are multiple options. You can select the files from Google Drive, link, file, and you can also create Google documents, slide sheets, and drawing using the Google Docs. But in my case, I will upload the file which I have created in MS Word, and also I have created a PDF version of that. So now it wants you to upload the file. You can click on select files from your device and I'll select those files, or the shortcut is that you can just select these files which you want to upload and drag them here. Once you have dragged, click on upload, or I will also show you the other way. So just click on add files and then go to the specified folder, and double click and it will be uploaded. Once you have added your files, click on upload and the files will start uploading. Now you have attached your files over here. You can also write private or class comments. So like in private comments, it will be only showed to your teacher, your instructor. So you can write that, respected sir, I have attached the Word and PDF, or you can doc, simply Word and PDF files for the mini project, or you can write EES mini project, ESS. Okay, so you can post this and also click on turn in. Turn in will result in a, you can say it will result in a final submission of your assignment. So click on turn in, again click on turn in, sorry. Then if you think that there are some changes you want to make, you also can unsubmit it before but only before the deadline. Okay, because the submission deadline is 7 June, so it is giving me an option to unsubmit it. But I'm okay with, if you are okay with your assignment, you can just click on turn in and it's over. So that's all. That this is the process of uploading the assignment, and this is the way you can do it. Thank you very much.